As we can see, all the masts are labeled with a number and letter, which corresponds to the number and letter of the structure and the trim. We simply place the mast, fit it with screws, and tighten it without applying too much force. We do the same on the other side. We repeat the process with all the masts. Finally, we cover it with these Velcro embellishers. To place the rope on the spider element, a specific distribution of the rope is not necessary. You would simply need to place the rope from one side to the other using all the masts.